I want to add this little subscribe to my channel up here along with the other links to other pages like this one has. So normally you hit subscribe, great, but you can also put a subscribe that will automatically subscribe people as well. So in order to do that, first make sure you're logged into your channel. On your channel, what you're going to want to do is copy the URL for it and just open a notepad. That works fine. Paste it into there. And then after the URL, you want to put this / sub _ confirmation = 1. I'll paste this in the notes below so you can just copy and paste it. So you take that, and then on your channel, go to Customize Channel. Under Basic Info, you're going to have your links option where you can add links. I'm going to add a link, and I'm just going to write subscribe to my channel. I'm going to paste that URL. I want it to be the first one that people see, so you can grab these two little bars here and drag it up. So that way it has that first. Hit publish. Go back to my channel. And now I've got that subscribe to my channel there. That's all there is to it. Now when people click on it, they'll automatically get that subscribed option.